dear students. We are discussing the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. Okay, so in that today we are going to discuss endoplasmic reticulum. So this is what we have seen in the previous video, right? We have seen the major parts of a typical cell, which are cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell wall, that is present only in plant cell, right? So today we are going to learn about a lot more things which are inside the cell, which are in the cytoplasm. Now you know that cytoplasm is the place where all the cell organelles are present along with nucleus. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the various cell organelles which are present in the cytoplasm. So today we are going to study about a very important cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So here you can see one rough structure. As in when we study a new cell organelle, I am going to add that in this picture. Okay. So this is a endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can see all the cell organelles which are present in a cell. So this is a animal cell, because the outermost membrane here is cell membrane, and we have already learned about the cell membrane, nucleus, right, and cytoplasm also. So today we are going to learn about this endoplasmic reticulum. So this network is nothing but endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So this blue colored tube like structures are there, no? So this is nothing but endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes and tubes. Okay, so it is a large membrane which consists of tubes and membranes. Okay, so there are two types of ER, endoplasmic reticulum. ER is a short form for endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, they are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so let us understand what is the difference between this rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER is the short form for rough endoplasmic reticulum. It has particles called ribosomes. Okay, so on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum there are spots are there. Okay, so these spots are called as ribosomes, and these ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. Okay, so here protein manufacture will take place. The manufactured proteins are sent to various places in the cell. So whatever the proteins are synthesized in the ribosomes will be sent to various cells depending on their need. Okay. So next one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is SER, helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is RER, helps in synthesis of proteins, but SER helps in synthesis of fat molecules or lipids. Okay, so whatever these proteins and lipids which are synthesized these by both RER and SER are utilized for various purposes in the cell. Some proteins and lipids which are produced by the ER are used in building the cell membrane. Okay, so this process is known as membrane biogenesis. So what is membrane biogenesis? Some proteins and lipids help in building the cell membrane. This process is known as membrane biogenesis. And some more proteins and lipids function as enzymes and hormones which are required by other cell organelles. Okay, here you can see the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. As I said, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so this pink colored network is nothing but rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this orange colored network is nothing but smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can see some spots are there, right? Some small particles are there which are called as ribosomes, and these ribosomes are the sites for protein synthesis. Here the protein synthesis takes place. Okay, and fat and lipids are manufactured in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so this is a network like structure, and as there is Here you can see some large or wide mouthed bags are there, right? So these provide a site for various chemical reactions to take place. Okay, so this is about the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Let us understand the various functions of endoplasmic reticulum. It serves as a channels for the transport of materials. So whatever materials which are produced or manufactured in ER, they have to be supplied to the various parts of the cell, right? So that transport, that channel is provided by the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so these materials will be transported between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Okay, second one is it is a site for various chemical reaction. Okay, so it provides that platform for various chemical reactions to takes place. And one of the most important function of SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, is it plays a very important role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs from liver cells of vertebrates. For example, we human beings. Okay, so it helps in removing the toxins which are present in the liver cells. Okay, and also you can add one more function. The ER helps in the manufacture or synthesis of proteins and lipids. Okay, so this is all about endoplasmic reticulum.